To transfer money from Wells Fargo to Charles Schwab, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, ensure you have a Wells Fargo account and a Charles Schwab account. If you do not have a Charles Schwab account, you can easily open one on their website. Start by logging into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Transfer section. This is usually found under the Account Summary or Account Activity tab. Click on the Transfer option and select the account you want to transfer money from. Next, you will need to add Charles Schwab as a payee. To do this, click on the Add Payee option and enter the required information, including the account number and routing number for your Charles Schwab account. The routing number for Charles Schwab is 121,202,211. After adding Charles Schwab as a payee, you can proceed with the transfer. Enter the amount you want to transfer and select the date you want the transfer to take place. You can choose to transfer the money immediately or schedule it for a later date. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. Check the amount, the payee, and the date of the transfer. If everything is correct, confirm the transfer. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer is complete. It is essential to note that transfers between banks may take a few days to process. The exact time it takes will depend on the type of transfer and the banks involved. Wire transfers are usually faster and can be completed on the same day, while ACH transfers may take a few business days. In addition to transferring money online, you can also transfer money from Wells Fargo to Charles Schwab by phone or in person. To transfer money by phone, call Wells Fargo customer service and follow the prompts to initiate a transfer. To transfer money in person, visit a Wells Fargo branch and speak with a bank representative. When transferring money, it is crucial to be aware of any fees associated with the transfer. Wells Fargo and Charles Schwab may charge fees for certain types of transfers, so it is essential to check with both banks before initiating a transfer. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from Wells Fargo to Charles Schwab. Remember to always review the transfer details carefully and be aware of any fees associated with the transfer.